this is our living space. As you can see, it's quite spacious. So this is a beautiful kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform. So this is a quite spacious master bedroom where... Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video, I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Millennium Amara, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, Mukai Chowk, Mamurdi, Pune, and is developed by Millennium Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get Mamurdi Sangambadi Road. From the right side directly connects you to Mumbai-Bangalore Highway. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 2.5 acre of land parcel having 7 towers, in which you will be getting basement plus ground plus 12 floors having 2 BHK premium residency. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am standing on the actual road of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project. This project is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, Mukai Chowk, Mamurdi, Pune, जिसकी कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है गाउंडिया रोड which is 500 meters away, Mumbai-Bangalore Highway which is 900 meters away, and Symbiosis Skills and Professional University which is 1.1 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has 15 plus luxurious amenities such as landscape garden, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, swimming pool, kids play area and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 2 BHK sample flat which has 783 square feet carpet area. So, this is our entrance, where just at the entrance you get a doorbell and you get a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. And then this is your entrance lobby where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now, let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is our living space. As you can see, it's quite spacious, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and then this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space of this project. So this is a dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a beautiful kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform with a sink attached to it. You also get a separate space to set up your washing machine and utilities. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me tell you that just in front of your first bedroom you get a common wash basin and a common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our first bedroom, and then this is where you get your bedroom, and this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting, and you get your wardrobe setup space right here. Now, before I show you the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out the master bedroom. So this is a quite spacious master bedroom where this is where you get your bed setup space and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. You also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Millennium Amara, which is located near Mumbai-Bangalore Highway, Mukai Chowk, Mamurdi, Pune, and is developed by Millennium Developers. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.